Students, now we start autoionization of water. After solving the problems on Ostwald dilution law, here autoionization of water. Pure water ionized to very small extent, you know that. Here ionization equilibrium of water is represented as, here water H2O plus second one, that is HOH. Now here autoionization, this H here combine with H2O to form hydronium ion plus OH negative. This is the autoionization of water. Equilibrium constant for the ionization of water is given by, for this equation, here for this equation, by applying law of mass action we get K is equal to concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of OH negative divided by concentration of unionized water molecule. Now here water molecule, it is taken in excess, so this is transferred here, and the concentration of water here, as it is taken as excess, it is considered to be constant, and therefore K into here K dash means concentration of water, is equal to Kw. Now Kw is equal to concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of OH negative, and this is called as ionic product of water. Means the product of molar concentration of hydronium, or conveniently it is taken as hydrogen ion concentration, and hydroxyl ion at equilibrium in pure water is called as, at a given temperature, is called as ionization, ionic product of water. Okay, at 25 degrees Celsius its value is constant, and that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. What is the value of ionic product of water? That is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. Okay, so now up to this we have Kw, that is called as ionic product of water, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. From internet you have to find out ionic product of water at various temperature, that is 273, 283, 293, 303, 313 and 323. Okay, then next one, that is the very important point and very interesting point, that is pH scale. We know that length, it is measured in meter, centimeter, kilometer. Yes, volume, it is measured in milliliter, liter. Just like that, acidity or basicity of the solution, it can be conveniently written or expressed in the form of pH scale. So instead of writing concentration of hydronium or hydrogen ion in mole per dm cube, sometimes it is convenient to express it on the logarithm scale. In 1909, Sorensen defined the pH of the solution, that is negative logarithm. pH of the solution means here negative logarithm to the base 10 of effective concentration of hydrogen ion is called as pH. Similarly, pOH is, it is a pOH of the solution can be defined as, again, negative logarithm to the base 10 of molar concentration of hydroxide ions in the solution is called as pOH. Now the relation between pH and pOH, we know that here Kw is equal to concentration of H3O positive hydronium ion and OH negative. Okay, here value of Kw is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. and here concentration of H positive or OH and OH negative. Taking log of both sides. If taking log of both sides to the base 10, we have here log of hydronium ion, that is hydrogen ion concentration, to the base 10 plus log of OH ion concentration to the base 10 is equal to minus 14. Log 10 is equal to 1. Okay, so we have log of H3O, concentration of hydronium ion, plus log of hydroxide ion is equal to minus 14. Change the sign, and after changing sign we have here minus log of hydronium ion plus in bracket minus log of OH negative ion is equal to 14. But here minus log of hydronium ion, that is equal to pH plus here minus log of OH negative ion is equal to POH and is equal to 14. So the relation between pH and POH is equal to 14. This log H3O positive plus log of OH negative is equal to minus 14, minus log H3O plus minus log of OH negative is equal to 14, and therefore pH plus POH is equal to 14. This is the relation between pH and POH. Now here for water molecule, concentration of H positive plus equal to concentration of OH negative, and that is equal to 10 to the power minus 7, and therefore for neutral solution log of 10 to the power minus 7 is equal to 7, and hence for neutral solution pH is equal to 7. For acidic solution there is a excess of hydronium ion or H positive ion, and as the concentration of H3O hydronium ion is greater than hydroxide ion, and therefore its pH is less than 7. Its pH is less than 7. And for basic solution, as the hydroxide ion is more than hydronium ion, and therefore its pH is greater than 7. Here pH of the basic solution is greater than 7. So on the basis of here pH value, solutions are classified into 3 types. First one, that is neutral solution having pH 7, acidic solution having pH less than 7, and basic solution having pH greater than 7. Okay, so what is the effect on pH if the concentration of hydrogen ion decreases? My question is that what is the effect on pH if hydrogen ion concentration increases? Okay, so student, we here solve some questions, numerical problems. Here pH is equal to, we have pH is equal to minus log of H positive ion, and POH is equal to minus log of hydroxide ion, minus log to the base 10 of hydroxide ion, and relation between pH and POH is equal to 14. Here again we know that the concentration of H positive or concentration of OH negative is equal to N into alpha into C, where N is the numbers of hydroxide ion or numbers of hydrogen ion present in the given compound. Okay, where alpha is the degree of dissociation and C is a molar concentration. So calculate pH and POH of 0.01 molar HCl solution. As we know that HCl, it is a hydrochloric acid, and here 100% dissociation. So HCl plus H2O giving you hydronium ion plus Cl negative. So the concentration of hydronium ion is equal to the concentration of HCl. Therefore, concentration of hydronium ion is equal to 0.01 molar, which is given, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So by putting this value in, pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of hydronium ion is equal to minus log to the base 10 1 into 10 to the power minus 2, that is equal to 2. So here pH is 2. We know that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So by putting this value of pH is equal to 2, we have pOH is equal to 12. Okay, now next problem. pH of the solution is given 3.12. Calculate the concentration of hydronium ion concentration. Now pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of hydronium ion concentration. So hydronium ion concentration is equal to minus pH here, minus pH. pH value 3.12, so minus 3.12. So minus log of hydronium ion is equal to minus 3, then minus 0.12 plus 1 minus 1. Here this operation, this is because negative anti-log cannot be taken, it is impossible, and that's why it is converted into positive sign. So minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. Minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, and plus 1 and minus 0.2. So here minus 4 and plus 0.88. So here after decimal point there is a positive value, and before negative it can be converted into bar 4.88. Now it is possible to take antilog. So hydronium ion concentration is equal to antilog of bar 4.88. After calculation, it gives the value of 7.586 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar. Now a weak monobasic acid is 0.04% dissociate. Here percentage dissociation is given in 0.025 molar solution. What is the pH of solution? Here weak monobasic acid is given. Weak monobasic acid, it is feebly dissociates or practically undissociates, and therefore it gives hydronium ion plus A negative. Here percentage dissociation is given, that is 0.04. By putting this value in percentage dissociation divided by 100, alpha is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. So hydronium ion concentration is equal to alpha into C. Concentration is given 0.025. By putting this value, we get 10 to the power minus 5 molar. So pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of hydronium ion concentration, that is minus log to the base 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to 5. So the pH of the solution having dissociation, percentage dissociation 0.04% and 0.025 molar concentration is found to be 5. So on the basis of these problems, you have to solve some problems given below.